sir, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I've been to a meet. So me, Earl, Marky, Shay, it's supposed to be our club, but we going to Caffeine and Octane in Atlanta because you know it's once a month, and it should be dope though, man. We got everybody. We just got done cleaning. Here my bad boy chopping a little bit. The ghost cam, the big rail right here, making sure I'm good to go. Yes, sir. Got Marky over here. Like I was saying, when the cleanest ego booth. Got Shay and the Infinity. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everybody pulling off. And we are a go. I was telling y'all, yeah, I put in these new headlights because mine are getting customized and they're terrible. But on the other flip side, I was trying to say that ain't no better feeling than when y'all just rolling. When you rolling with a group, a good group at that, you know, it's just nice. But yeah, about an hour and a half, 2 hours, a little less than 2 hours to get there from here in Clemson. So let's go see what it's about. Now y'all know I had to pass the pack because I had to get up close to see this GTR right here. That new rail was gonna maybe try him. I don't know. But I gotta see. I knew Darrell was gonna go ahead. Let me see. Spot. I heard Darrell down shit. Hold up now. Come on. I know they go. Shifting though, that ain't bad though, man. So we are currently just in line, man. We done made it out here. Big old parking lot. You know, and these Volkswagens, man, came by us zooming, but they definitely have a lot of police out here making sure, I guess. No cap, it's a lot of nice stuff out here. Tag on the little whatever, you know. I forget what those are called. But this is looking mighty swell. And it's still a whole lot more, man, which is crazy. Oh, look at that. Silverado. Ooh, little caddy. Alright. Three. What's up? Honda gang, Stan gang. Can't go wrong with a Shelby either though, dog. That's true. A lot of stand boards out here too. Hold up, here they come. A little Beamer. That's my kind of. Already got a little overheat on the truck. Oh, there's another one too. Look at the tires, bro. Jesus Christ. I mean, like, look how meaty that is. Man, this is dope though. I like the idea. You got all the Hellcats next to each other. You know, I always like my LEDs on the outside. That's dope right there. Low Genesis. They got the V6. That's dope. I don't know about them headlights. I mean them fog lights, but too clean stained. Yeah, I've been trying to figure out a good daily, another daily for the daily, you know. And oh, that's clean. I just don't know. Got a nice little i8. You know, these Beamers are growing on me too though. No cap. Sheesh.
Oh no, go back.
We over here. didn't even know there's a whole nother parking lot. That's crazy. Jeez. That might be too low though. Too little. Jesus, look at this.
It's still going.
Still going. Jeez. Look at this. My dude. Beamer, right? Innovate. Me out of. Yeah, he's so nice. You gotta sit in the front of them all. Yeah. That's tough. One of my favorite animes too. Favorite character at that too. That's tough. That's tough. The heavy duties over here. I ain't seen some nice trucks in a minute. Dang. Yes, sir. Rumblebee. Hey, for real though, this combo on the bags, that's crazy. That's money. Godly. That's tough though. I like that. Cause y'all rockin' Christmas Eve, you know, Christmas. Man, I need one of these. Look at this. I low-key like them too though, man. I need something that can tow too. So we was just looking at this Corvette, right? The newer gen. It's twin turbos, and we was not expecting him to move. Jesus. A little Ferrari. Got the little slam van. Nah, I still can't rock no van though. Another Ferrari. We done made it to Porsche. Porsche territory. As the real say, some Skittles out here. Dude. Yeah, these. Can't go wrong with no Porsche either. Especially, pretty sure those flip, if I remember correctly. But, yeah. Okay, I kind of like these old trucks like this, y'all. Like, the old schools ain't no joke either. Especially when you got a real clean engine and engine bay. That's it. That's it.
They put a new motor in it.
Ooh, hold on. That's my Viper over here too. You can't get wrong with the Ford GT next to the Viper. Shoot, that's a different take on the Ram right there. Go ahead, camp out on top. Probably got everything in the back you need. Jesus. Supercharged. That's it. Okay. Yeah, them boy ain't got an LS swap S2000. Man. Okay. The bands too though. Chrome. Yeah, that's what I love about car shows. You see a little bit of everything. That's different though. Low riders. Yeah. Got cruising, man. Yo. Can't go wrong with a cam vet either. That's awesome.
God, like a 40-year-old and you want to do a 60-year-old, but the guy didn't want to do it.
Alright, y'all. I didn't want to make it too long of a video because this is my first time coming out to Caffeine and Octane. But it's a lot of cars I didn't get. But that means y'all can see it goes around this whole mall, dog. That boy fool with it, man. Yeah. Hey, you can feature it. Man, that's crazy, dog. But yeah, we came out. We all came out. It was crazy. It's crazy.
Yo, gas gas it real quick. Gas it.
That's,
Hit it. I was like,
that's gonna be it for this video. And appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.